news. So the panel's here. In the last 20 years of building cars and buying bits, I've never sent money blindly to prevent getting scammed. But faith has been restored. The panel's here. So now I'm going to jump in the car and go up an hour and 14 minutes to Eden's and hand it over and see how he's been getting on with the Datsun. Special delivery. Panel.
Thanking you.
Oh,
I'd love to know Blue Peter would say, here's something I prepared earlier and it's done, but it's not.
it will be done. Look at that.
It's good that these are even welded on wonky.
Yeah, exactly, just like these ones.
Just like these ones.
But yeah, like bracketry is correct. It's amazing. I mean, you can't really pick it up on camera, but how different that is.
Oh, so these clips then?
Yeah, so I think we need to get these off. I think that's the only thing that he's transferring is those onto here. And then, yeah, I mean, it's a bit hard to see, but all that is mashed up on the back as well. It's got these ties for the loom in, which I don't really have. In these little bits. But yeah. Done. Just need to paint it. And then patina match it.
God, yeah, it's proper sharp and crazy.
And then last piece I'm working on is this bit. Which is coming from Europe. And then that is all the tin work we've got then. And then whilst I've been away, Eden's been busy on the other bit that we discovered, which was this panel here, which was blown out a little bit. So cut it out, shaped a new panel, put it on underneath treated, which is perfect. But then yeah.
Whoa, look at this paint tie.
Ta-da!
Didn't realise it was that bad as well, did we?
No. It's quite hard to see in there, isn't it?
So as we can see, this press in here has been made out of filler.
Yeah. So I've spent a lot of time with filler on that car.
Yeah, too much time.
Yeah, and we've just undone some of it anyway.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
And old.
It's actually looking right now, to be fair. It's just a bit bent here. look good for the camera.
Too tight. Just going to snick a couple mil off this end here because it seems like a little bit extra from that. That's quite short up there, and this is
a little bit
quite long also. That's more of a square cut into it than that one. Slightly smaller than that.
It's going better than expected though. This is okay. This is okay. Just many straightenings needed.
It's very
bent. I don't know if you can pick up on the camera. Sort of dip down here. And obviously we can see this. So this is going to have some sort of a tension, maybe cut out now we can get to it. Just the final bits here to take out. And then Eden has smashed it out. Ready for the new panel. So, just like that. Food time.
Food time.
Food time.
Food time.
I think I can order new ones of these clips, which I'll do.
Yeah.
And then jobs are good. Update.
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 Come on in.
Ignore this. They do not show. Hang on, let me raise the globe. It was on the Austin Powers scene.
Yeah.
There we go.
Ta-da! One.
Something's fixed.
One done.
Something is fixed.
So just a quick buzz down, a little bit fitter, and then some paint matching, and she's done.
I'm ashamed to say it needs a little filler.
It's good though.
But yeah, not quite good enough though.
And then this.
Hang on. Right, here we go. That'll do.
Now do.
Oh god.
So it's a bit worse than last time we saw it.
No, it's better.
What is better? It looks all straight. It's missing. So
Take this off. Remove it.
gone.
So yeah, we took this off. Gonna repair this properly now, and it meant we could get in and repair this because there was a hole in it, and we've straightened all this out.
And then there was one of these over here, which is gone now, which we don't need it because we're going to be running a slightly different tank, and the breather will go through here into the tube here. Being an American car, it has like an evap chamber there, which is all gone. And then yeah, so that panel's nearly ready to go on. We had it on earlier to test it, and it's pretty much bob on.
It's not nearly ready, there's loads of roads.
There is loads of roads still. But I think that's about it really. I think from me, I managed to find one of these panels.
Oh, I've just noticed another dent.
Where?
Just in here. Just that's got a little bit of a ding in it. Is that straight?
No, there is a tiny little dent in it there. I don't know if you can pick it up on the camera or not. Anyway, quickly. Found one of these. Mr. John Ludwig's going to help me out with getting one of these over from the States pronto. And I think that's it really for updates. Obviously there's still more to do. We've still yet to fit camber plates and the chassis rails. And I think that's it, I think. Should we wrap this one up?
Yeah, I'm just looking out to see if it's still bent or not.
Pondering.
Yeah.
And we'll leave it at that. So we'll see you in the next one.